Hello, welcome to my channel. You need to hear this if you're a Shopify store owner. Want to make more sales on Shopify? You need Klaviyo. It's the best email marketing tool for Shopify stores. Why? Because it helps you talk to your customers in a personalized way. Imagine sending emails that your customers actually want to open. Klaviyo makes that happen. It uses your Shopify data to understand your customers. This means you can send the right message at the right time. Klaviyo isn't just about emails, it's about building relationships. When you connect with your customers, they trust you more. And when they trust you, they buy from you again and again. Ready to boost your sales and turn shoppers into loyal fans? Let's dive into the world of Klaviyo. Getting started with Klaviyo is easy. First, you need to connect it to your Shopify store. Don't worry, it's super simple. First, log into Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, find the Apps section. Look for the Apps tab on the left side of your screen. Then, search for Klaviyo. Type Klaviyo in the search bar and click on it. Finally, install the app. Click the Add App button to install Klaviyo. That's it. Klaviyo will automatically sync with your Shopify store. Now you can start using all of Klaviyo's awesome features. Klaviyo's dashboard might look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. It's actually very user-friendly. Here's a quick rundown of the main sections. Dashboard. This is your home base. It gives you an overview of your email marketing performance, lists, and segments. Here's where you organize your subscribers into different groups. Campaigns. Create and manage all your email campaigns in this section. Flows. Automate your emails based on customer behavior. Analytics. Track your results and see what's working. Take some time to explore each section. The more familiar you are with the interface, the easier it will be to use Klaviyo effectively. Before you start sending emails, you need people to send them to. Building an email list is crucial for any successful email marketing strategy. Here are a few ways to grow your Klaviyo email list. Sign-up forms. Add attractive sign-up forms to your website. Offer a discount or free shipping in exchange for email addresses. Pop-up forms. Use pop-up forms to capture the attention of website visitors. Make sure they're not too intrusive. Social media. Promote your email list on your social media channels. Run contests and giveaways to incentivize signups. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a smaller list of engaged subscribers than a large list of uninterested people. Section 5. Crafting emails that convert. Design and content tips. Now, it's time to create emails that people actually want to read. Crafting an email that converts isn't just about the message, it's about how you present it. The design and content of your email play a crucial role in capturing your audience's attention and driving them to take action. Here are some design and content tips to keep in mind. First, focus on the layout. A clean, well-structured layout makes your email easy to read and navigate. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up text and guide the reader's eye. Keep it short and sweet. People are inundated with emails daily, so make sure your message is concise and to the point. Avoid long paragraphs and get straight to the essential information. People are busy, so get straight to the point and use clear, concise language. Use high-quality images. Visuals are a powerful tool in email marketing. High-quality images can make your emails more engaging and visually appealing. Visuals make your emails more appealing, so use professional-looking images that are relevant to your brand. Personalize your messages. Personalization goes beyond just using the recipient's name. It involves tailoring the content to their preferences and behaviors. Address your subscribers by name and segment your lists to send targeted content. Segmentation allows you to send more relevant messages to different groups within your audience, increasing the chances of engagement. Include a clear call to action. Your call to action should stand out and be easy to find. Use action-oriented language that tells your subscribers exactly what you want them to do. Tell your subscribers what you want them to do next, like shop now or learn more. Make sure the call to action is prominent and compelling. A/B test different email designs and content to see what resonates best with your audience. Testing allows you to understand what works and what doesn't, helping you to continuously improve your email marketing strategy. Section 6. Segmenting your audience. Sending the right message to the right customer. One of the biggest benefits of Klaviyo is the ability to segment your audience. This powerful feature allows you to categorize your subscribers into distinct groups based on various criteria. These criteria can include their behavior on your website, their specific interests, and their purchase history. By understanding these aspects, you can tailor your messages to meet the unique needs of each group. This means you can divide your subscribers into different groups based on their behavior, interests, and purchase history. Why is segmentation important? Well, it's because it allows you to send highly targeted emails that are more likely to convert. When you send a message that resonates with the recipient, they are more likely to engage with your content and take the desired action. Because it allows you to send highly targeted emails that are more likely to convert. For instance, if you know a customer has shown interest in a particular product category, you can send them emails featuring those products. This level of personalization makes your emails more relevant and engaging. For example, you can create segments for new subscribers, welcoming them to your brand and offering a special discount. This not only makes them feel valued, but also encourages them to make their first purchase, welcoming them to your brand and offering a special discount. This initial engagement is crucial as it sets the tone for your future relationship with the customer. A warm welcome can turn a casual visitor into a loyal customer. Repeat customers can be thanked for their loyalty and offered exclusive deals. These customers are already familiar with your brand and are more likely to make repeat purchases. By acknowledging their loyalty, you strengthen their connection to your brand. Cart abandoners can be reminded of the items in their cart and offered free shipping to encourage them to complete their purchase. This gentle nudge can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates and increase your sales. By segmenting your audience, you can send more relevant and personalized emails that get results. This approach not only improves your email marketing performance, but also enhances the overall customer experience. When customers receive content that is tailored to their needs and interests, they are more likely to engage with your brand and become loyal advocates. Section 7. Automating your email marketing time-saving strategies. Want to save time and effort? In today's fast-paced world, managing your time efficiently is crucial for success. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to streamline their daily tasks, finding ways to save time can make a significant difference in your productivity and overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to save time is by automating your email marketing. With Klaviyo's powerful flow feature, you can set up automated email sequences that run on their own, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your customers receive timely and relevant communications. Flows are a series of automated emails that are triggered by specific actions or events. For instance, when a customer signs up for your newsletter, makes a purchase, or abandons their cart, a flow can be triggered to send them a series of targeted emails. This helps in nurturing leads, converting prospects, and retaining customers without manual intervention. For example, you can create a welcome flow that sends a series of emails to new subscribers, introducing them to your brand and products. This initial engagement is crucial as it sets the tone for your relationship with the customer and helps in building trust and loyalty from the very beginning. Here are some other examples of flows you can create. An abandoned cart flow to remind customers about items left in their cart. This is particularly effective in recovering lost sales and encouraging customers to complete their purchases. A post-purchase flow to thank customers for their order and offer related products. This not only shows appreciation, but also provides an opportunity to upsell or cross-sell additional products, enhancing the customer's overall experience, and a win-back flow to re-engage inactive customers with special offers. By reaching out to customers who haven't interacted with your brand for a while, you can reignite their interest and encourage them to return, boosting your retention rates. Automating your email marketing frees up your time so you can focus on other aspects of your business. Whether it's product development, customer service, or strategic planning, having more time allows you to invest in areas that drive growth and success. So, start automating today and experience the benefits of a more efficient and productive workflow. Section 8. Analyzing your results. Tracking your progress and making adjustments. It's not enough to just send emails. You need to track your results and see what's working. Cleavio's Analytics Dashboard provides valuable insights into your email marketing performance. Here are some key metrics to track open rate, which is the percentage of people who open your emails, click-through rate, which is the percentage of people who click on a link in your emails, and conversion rate, which is the percentage of people who make a purchase after clicking on a link in your emails. By analyzing your results, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your email marketing campaigns for better results. Section 9. Cleavio, your key to unlocking e-commerce growth. Cleavio is more than just an email marketing tool. It's a powerful platform that can help you build stronger customer relationships, increase sales, and grow your Shopify store. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of Klaviyo and take your e-commerce business to the next level. Ready to get started? Sign up for a free Klaviyo account today and see the difference it can make for your business.